Hello and welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we discuss everything related to cryptocurrencies. Today, we will be talking about Bitcoin Cash, also known as BCH. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at Bitcoin Cash, its history, technology, and why it's different from Bitcoin. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. To further elaborate on the decision to increase the block size limit, it is important to understand the context in which Bitcoin Cash was created. In the early days of Bitcoin, the 1 megabyte block size limit was sufficient to handle the small number of transactions being processed on the network. However, as Bitcoin gained popularity and more people began using it, the limit became a hindrance to scalability. The limit on block size meant that only a limited number of transactions could be processed in each block. This, in turn, led to longer confirmation times and higher fees. As more people started using Bitcoin, the number of transactions increased, leading to a backlog of transactions waiting to be processed. This resulted in high fees and slower transaction times, making it difficult for Bitcoin to be used as a practical currency for everyday transactions. To address this issue, the developers behind Bitcoin Cash proposed increasing the block size limit from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes. This would allow more transactions to be processed in each block, resulting in faster transaction times and lower fees. The idea was that by increasing the block size, Bitcoin Cash would be better suited for everyday use, just like cash. However, this proposal was met with resistance from some members of the Bitcoin community who saw it as a deviation from the original vision of Bitcoin. They argued that increasing the block size limit would make it more difficult for individual miners to participate in the network, leading to greater centralization. Despite the disagreements, the developers of Bitcoin Cash decided to move forward with their plan and created a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain with the increased block size limit. Since then, Bitcoin Cash has continued to evolve, with several other updates being implemented to improve its technology and functionality. Today, Bitcoin Cash is used by thousands of merchants worldwide and has gained significant adoption as a practical cryptocurrency for everyday use. Its larger block size, faster transaction times, and lower fees have made it an attractive alternative to Bitcoin for many users. Explaining block size limit from Bitcoin Cash. The decision to increase the block size limit was a contentious issue within the Bitcoin community, with some seeing it as a threat to the integrity of the original Bitcoin protocol. Those who opposed the increase argued that it would lead to a greater concentration of power within the network, as larger blocks would require more resources to mine, effectively making it harder for smaller players to participate. However, the developers behind Bitcoin Cash saw the increase in block size limit as a necessary step to ensure that Bitcoin remained a practical currency for everyday transactions. They believed that the 1 megabyte limit was no longer sufficient to handle the growing number of transactions on the network, and that by increasing the limit to 8 megabytes, they could significantly improve the speed and efficiency of the system. By making these changes, they hoped to address the growing concerns around the high fees and long transaction times associated with Bitcoin, and position Bitcoin Cash as a more practical alternative for everyday use. While controversial at the time, the decision to fork the Bitcoin blockchain and create Bitcoin Cash has proved to be a significant development in the evolution of cryptocurrencies, paving the way for greater innovation and competition in the market. Today, Bitcoin Cash continues to evolve and improve its technology, with ongoing updates being implemented to address issues around scalability, security, and user experience. As the world becomes more comfortable with the idea of cryptocurrencies, the demand for fast, reliable, and affordable transaction systems is only set to grow, and Bitcoin Cash is well positioned to meet this demand. Explaining transaction speed from Bitcoin Cash. One of the most significant advantages of Bitcoin Cash over Bitcoin is its faster transaction speed. Due to the larger block size limit, Bitcoin Cash is capable of processing more transactions per second than Bitcoin, which has a 1 megabyte block size limit. This means that transactions on the Bitcoin Cash network are faster and more efficient than those on the Bitcoin network. In practice, this means that users can send and receive Bitcoin Cash transactions much more quickly than they can with Bitcoin. While a Bitcoin transaction can take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours to confirm, Depending on network congestion and the fees paid, a Bitcoin Cash transaction can be confirmed in a matter of minutes, even during periods of high network traffic. This faster transaction speed makes Bitcoin Cash much more practical for everyday use as a currency. It allows users to make transactions quickly and easily, without having to worry about long confirmation times or high fees. It also makes Bitcoin Cash a more attractive option for merchants, who need to process large volumes of transactions quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, the faster transaction speed of Bitcoin Cash also contributes to its overall scalability. As more people start using cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions, the ability to process large volumes of transactions quickly becomes increasingly important. Bitcoin Cash's larger block size limit and faster transaction speed help to ensure that the network can keep up with growing demand, making it a more viable option for future growth and adoption. Explaining lower fees from Bitcoin Cash. Another key advantage of Bitcoin Cash over Bitcoin is its lower transaction fees. Due to its larger block size limit and faster transaction speed, Bitcoin Cash is able to process more transactions per block than Bitcoin, resulting in lower fees for each individual transaction. In the early days of Bitcoin, transaction fees were negligible, as there were few users and the network was not yet congested. However, as Bitcoin became more popular, the number of transactions being processed on the network increased, resulting in higher transaction fees and longer confirmation times. With Bitcoin Cash, the larger block size limit allows for more transactions to be processed per block, resulting in lower fees for each individual transaction. This makes Bitcoin Cash a more practical cryptocurrency for everyday transactions, as users can send and receive payments without having to worry about high fees eating into their transactions. In addition, the lower transaction fees also make Bitcoin Cash a more attractive option for merchants, who can save on transaction costs by accepting payments in Bitcoin Cash rather than traditional payment methods such as credit cards. This can help to reduce their overall costs and improve their bottom line. Overall, the lower transaction fees associated with Bitcoin Cash make it a more practical and affordable option for everyday use as a currency, and contribute to its growing popularity and adoption among users and merchants alike. Explaining adoption from Bitcoin Cash. Since its creation, Bitcoin Cash has indeed gained significant adoption and is now accepted by thousands of merchants worldwide. This is in part due to its superior technical features, such as its faster transaction speed, more efficient use of network resources, and lower fees compared to Bitcoin. As more and more people look for alternatives to traditional payment methods, the demand for fast and affordable transaction systems has grown, and Bitcoin Cash has positioned itself as a leading contender in this space. Many merchants now accept Bitcoin Cash as a payment method, allowing customers to easily and quickly pay for goods and services using the cryptocurrency. In addition, the growing adoption of Bitcoin Cash has also led to increased awareness and education around cryptocurrencies more generally. As more people become familiar with Bitcoin Cash and other digital currencies, they are more likely to use them for everyday transactions and to see them as a legitimate alternative to traditional currencies. Overall, the increasing adoption of Bitcoin Cash highlights the growing interest in cryptocurrencies and their potential to transform the way we think about and use money. While there are still challenges and obstacles to overcome, the development of Bitcoin Cash and other digital currencies represents an important step towards a more decentralized and equitable financial system. Explaining adoption rate from Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash's market capitalization of over $8 billion as of this writing is a clear indication that it has a significant following and is here to stay. The fact that it is consistently ranked among the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, according to CoinMarketCap and other tracking sites, is a testament to its growing popularity and adoption. This demand for Bitcoin Cash is driven by a variety of factors, including its superior technical features, lower fees, faster transaction times, and broader adoption by merchants and other businesses. Additionally, the development and ongoing improvement of the Bitcoin Cash network by its developers and community members have also contributed to its success. As more people become interested in cryptocurrencies and the potential they offer for a more decentralized and equitable financial system, it is likely that Bitcoin Cash and other digital currencies will continue to see increased adoption and growth. While there are still challenges and uncertainties facing the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, the increasing demand for Bitcoin Cash and other top cryptocurrencies is a clear indication that they are here to stay and will play an important role in shaping the future of money. Explaining technology from Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash works on the same blockchain technology as Bitcoin, which is a decentralized, distributed ledger that allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for a central authority. However, the developers of Bitcoin Cash have made some modifications to the Bitcoin protocol to allow for a larger block size limit, which they believe is necessary to improve the speed and efficiency of transactions on the network. In technical terms, Bitcoin Cash uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work to validate transactions and create new blocks on the blockchain. This involves a network of miners who compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to add new blocks to the blockchain and receive rewards in the form of newly created Bitcoin Cash. The larger block size limit of Bitcoin Cash allows for more transactions to be processed per block, which in turn reduces transaction times and fees. This is because larger blocks can accommodate more transactions, which means that users do not have to compete as much to have their transactions processed by miners. As a result, transactions on the Bitcoin Cash network are generally faster and more affordable than those on the Bitcoin network. The core principles of Bitcoin Cash are similar to those of Bitcoin, in that it is a decentralized, peer-to-peer digital currency that is not controlled by any central authority. However, the larger block size limit of Bitcoin Cash enables faster and more efficient transactions, making it a more practical and user-friendly option for everyday use as a currency. Explaining mining from Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, like Bitcoin, is mined using a proof-of-work consensus algorithm, which involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks on the blockchain. Miners compete to solve these problems using powerful computers and specialized hardware, and the first miner to solve the problem and add a new block to the blockchain is rewarded with newly created Bitcoin Cash coins. The reward for mining a new block of Bitcoin Cash is currently 6.25 BCH, which is the same as the reward for mining a new block of Bitcoin. This reward is designed to incentivize miners to contribute their computing power to the network and ensure that the blockchain remains secure and functional. As more miners join the network and compete for rewards, the difficulty of mining new blocks increases to maintain a consistent rate of block creation. This means that mining Bitcoin Cash becomes more challenging over time, requiring more computing power and energy to maintain the same level of rewards. Overall, the mining process is an essential component of the Bitcoin Cash network, as it ensures the security and reliability of the blockchain. By providing an incentive for miners to contribute their computing power to the network, Bitcoin Cash can maintain its decentralized, peer-to-peer structure and continue to function as a reliable and efficient digital currency. Explaining roadmap from Bitcoin Cash. Indeed, the future of Bitcoin Cash looks promising, with the development team committed to improving the technology and expanding the use cases for the cryptocurrency. One of the most significant developments planned for Bitcoin Cash is the integration of smart contract capabilities. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that can automate the execution of certain functions based on predefined conditions. This could allow for the creation of more complex and sophisticated decentralized applications on the Bitcoin Cash network, expanding its utility beyond simple transactions. Another area of focus for the Bitcoin Cash development team is privacy. While Bitcoin Cash transactions are already more private than those on the Bitcoin network, there is still room for improvement. The team is exploring different ways to enhance privacy, such as the implementation of advanced encryption techniques or the use of additional privacy-focused protocols. Scalability is another area of ongoing development for Bitcoin Cash. While the increase in block size limit has already improved the scalability of the network, there are still limitations to how many transactions can be processed per second. The development team is exploring different solutions to improve scalability, such as the use of sharding or Layer 2 scaling solutions. The future of Bitcoin Cash looks bright, with a dedicated development team focused on improving the technology and expanding its use cases. As the cryptocurrency space continues to evolve and mature, Bitcoin Cash is well positioned to remain a significant player and continue to gain adoption as a reliable and efficient digital currency. Explaining potential from Bitcoin Cash. With its faster transaction speed and lower fees, Bitcoin Cash is well positioned to become one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. As more merchants and businesses adopt Bitcoin Cash as a payment method, it is likely to become increasingly popular among consumers as well. In addition to its practical advantages, Bitcoin Cash also has a strong community of supporters who are committed to its success. This community is made up of developers, miners, investors, and enthusiasts who believe in the vision of a decentralized, peer-to-peer digital currency that is not controlled by any central authority. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and mature, it is likely that Bitcoin Cash will face competition from other cryptocurrencies with similar features and capabilities. However, its early adoption, dedicated development team, and growing community give it a strong foundation for continued success. The future of Bitcoin Cash looks bright, and it will be interesting to see how it evolves and adapts to meet the changing needs of the cryptocurrency market in the years to come. Summarizing key points from Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is a promising cryptocurrency that offers significant advantages over Bitcoin in terms of transaction speed and fees. Its larger block size limit has allowed it to scale more effectively and has led to its growing adoption by merchants and businesses worldwide. With its dedicated development team and strong community of supporters, Bitcoin Cash has the potential to become one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the world. However, as with any cryptocurrency, there are risks and uncertainties associated with investing in Bitcoin Cash. It is important for investors to do their research and understand the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. Nevertheless, the continued growth and development of Bitcoin Cash make it a cryptocurrency worth keeping an eye on in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.